I think gukungwira kwa ngwataniro ya East Africa 25 years.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
It has been around for 25 years. And that is a silver jubilee. Now those you know how gukungwira tondu riri andu moka hamwe ri. Maundu manene namo ni mahaneka ri andu manyitana. And muungano wa Afrika yetu ya Mashariki umeweza kukua kwa kina. Kwa ukubwa sana.
Wajirio ni Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania.
Yes.
Gicoko kiingira Rwanda and Burundi.
No makiingira gikundi.
Yes. South Sudan magioka.
Yes.
Congo ni meriga guka. Recently Somali ni marokire.
Yes. So we are how many?
Now we are 8.
We are 8 countries. You know that is how the unity of Africa is going to be achieved. Na kiroto kia Kano Muammar Gaddafi might just be fulfilled one day. Yes. Tukiona kitu the United States of Africa. Yes. Inaanza tu pole pole taratibu. Itonaona we are already 8.
Hale hage akamushkilu kidogo ri.
Yes.
Niko igwate no to collapse system ciothe inyitane. Twatho ni mundu u. Hau niho haritoha kidogo.
You see, like in the US ukoraga riri. Shita states kana shita watia. States ri. They are very powerful and empowered. Kogwo nita Kenya tutiko turiona mahinya maitu very empowered no riu hari mundu umwe riu bless them with the governor hidio
riu kore states jethagwo ni governor
because the states are as bigger than some countries here.
Taru state ya Texas ikirene na gukira Kenya.
Yes. By a good margin.
By everything, by size and wealth.
No, wealth, that one is obvious. What we had a doubt about is the size.
Even size.
Yes. So it can be achieved. Yes. And of course, the East African they had a vision and a mission. Natokia national anthem, the East African anthem. Area rika ritu. Turiasi Hugo.
Hare rajiririe kuina nginya guthomithio mathukuru ri.
Yes.
Ni turakoretwo twauma thukuru.
Yes. Twamete. Yetwaje Mungu twaomba ulinde Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki.
Kare
akanya yao bono ikoro ero bro noga modoni na Stacy you know makoro maru. So it is quite a spectacle today in Tanzania. Yes.
Arusha, Tanzania.
Yes. And you know they'll be having their general elections next year.
Imena githurano kia presidential next year. Todo I think this week ni maraina githurano kia ya icigo.
Yes.
Na CCM imechapa watu.
Nasikia Chama cha Mapinduzi kimeweza kuwakandamiza.
CCM imegonga watu kwa vijiji.
Kimeweza kuwatambararisha. Hali si hali.
Ileta ite nyingi muno CCM.
Na CCM kwa sasa ndio chama tawala. Manake ndio chama cha Mheshimiwa Rais Mama Samia Suluhu Hassan.
Kile kio kia bakira kiwathani.
Koko kuliona politics kutingia.
Kuliona siasa wesi ya matura.
Tunakushukuru sana vile umeweza kukoja Mheshimiwa Rais. Karibu sana Tanzania. Kwema, Kenya kwema. Tuko sawa sawa. Sisi tuko tu. Naendelea vizuri. Sasa unajua sasa tuko kwenye harakati za kisiasa na kuna ushawishi mkubwa kutoka nchi ya Kenya katika siasa za eneo hili. Sijui wewe utaweza kuweka uzito wako nyuma ya nani? Sasa hiyo kusema
hiyo ni mambo yenu.
Nikisema mambo yenu hapo itakuwa ni vizuri utaje tu kwa umbali. Manake utapewa nafasi uweze kuwazungumzia wageni. Wale wako hapa. Taja tu kwa fumbo. Manake Waswahili wanasema fumbo mfumbulie nani? Aya bibi sitaweza tu kuna siasa yetu Kenya mpange yenu. Uiga panga alafu basi. Hii utakuja.
Goko nakuo kule ona tumathina twakuo.
Yes. Museveni ko.
I'm not very sure no direction na Kenya fati okorwo kuo. No igwo ni kigomano kia ma president magitaro giki kia East Africa.
Yes.
And he is the elder.
No, he's the elder, he has to be there. Ocio ni ogaya nyama.
Ocio na ria program igi condenswo gutuike ni gukunyihio aria.
Yes.
Elder no waragia haya giothe.
Akamarugamia. That one you see there. Young man, stand up. Yes. That is Somali president. What's your name? What's your name? Somali or Somaliland? You know there are two. Yes, upigie makofi. This one you see here, senior citizen of this region. It's called Kagame. Clap for Kagame. This young man here from Sogoi. It's called Ruto. Clap for Ruto, President Ruto.
The newest on the block.
Yes. Clap for, this one is newcomer. She's now running the ropes of the I am the longest serving. Museveni the vision carrier. Museveni had a EAC, no vision carrier. He was there from the onset.
Oh, EAC, yes, air collapse.
Yes,
no,
I just know right. It's all about Mama who has it. Inyenera mi mulona.
Ari mejithirio bara na moko ni mukoro.
Yes. Jena mulwa maicho barutirwa mugongo ni iti. Toge twekania bara. Hari athiko ici mweta karigo-ini. People will never think you appreciate any development. You see, like the Gen Zs, mati appreciate the Karodi super highway. So mati
the previous one.
The what do they call the old railway?
The lunatic.
The lunatic.
The Karodi lunatic.
Mati the Karodi lunatic. Mamanya moro ne umaro hesabu kinya taoni na mathaa mau
mana
4 hours
4 good hours.
Yes. But Museveni is the person who thinks you people you just keep making demands.
You know you came yesterday.
You came the other day. You don't know how much work we have put in. The person who can maybe explain is Kagame, and he was not even there then. It's not part of the.
That's Salva Kiir.
We sat down with the Moi. No gwari homa kianjia muungano. Ore wa mbere ngawari na mwarimu.
Mwarimu Julius.
Ugikobo bana.
Ucio niguo wakobobanire.
Yes.
Wa 70.
Ugicoka ukiriuki. You should appreciate what is on the table. Stop making demands. And I'm bringing your observations.
And you Kenyans.
You particularly you Kenyans, you are very opinionated.
You keep changing people.
You keep you change people a lot. The syllabus for civics is going to be. History and government Korea Uganda. A system of governance. It does not have many contents.
They said over time.
Ona gosia achavia mavukuri. Metha obisha Museveni emukuraku. Yes.
Every 8 to 10 years.
Yes.
No ginya hau haka update.
Of course there were the 24. And then the 10, then the 10, then this one. Yes.
No akiona.
Ne maita mana already. Korea anandiki achavia mavuku mora ya training. Yo, we are printing for standard what? Use the previous manual. The previous manuscript. Just write. The only thing you will change is what term he is in. No, actually, Modotaye toka hau horo a Museveni. He's a danda. Because who is the president of Uganda? Gotire mundu toy.
Ko mundu ndabatie kugia noti.
Ya, ni ubatie kumenya kiuria kimwe. Eki ya save no rega atia.
No rega.
Yes.
Like
we kondo ginya kwenduma Gikomba. Actually literally gutire thitima. Re thitima cina goko iguru. Ko na gutitambitio thitima.
Kianda kiu.
Ona mahinga atene. Ndwere ni ndahemaga nguo. Ko kuhema ni riri. Huko ria tuthia tene gucagura nguo cia uka kwendia kugu to kuhema. Yes. Tuthia kuhema tene na kanisi. Na araura. Na mwaniki. Twathiana toci.
Uri mwana ukaro cinde rwa tene.
Yes. Tene. Otha 10
ukorwo kuo.
Yes. Na kware katero kariho. He mundu beru etangia hingurirwo atokite. Yes. Tau kanisi ari ono muthi. Kanisi beru haria athia kuhema. Ehinguragwo ka.
No nginya etererwo.
Yes. Na niguko na lot. Ndio ngenda kumenya seniority ya huka ri. Ni umenya haria arahemera. Bero ya rengwo na igathi uguo ri. Yes. Yamba ekahingurwo uguo. He a fast camera. Acio hebe yao. Makahema. Ria giothe ona gia fast camera. Agicuragia. Agatarirwo. Hao karu a second camera. Acio nio aige.
Account.
Yes. Yale sub account. Makahema ciao.
National nio ya mbere kwigaira. Yarikia.
Yero nio fast camera.
Rigo tugoka county.
Yes. Na guo cia fast camera ri ona rema ciendagia ri. Matikujaga ni gucurio icuragio. Cio tinde okihorania ni worote. Iyo ni fast cam.
Fast camera.
Yes. Hao karu a second camera. Yes. Na makahema. Kuma hao karu Lerek.
Sub county.
Yes. Riu beru yori. Aria moya hau yo etagwo fagia. Na hoka wothe akianjia Nairobi no wanjagia na fagia. Yes. Tondu ui kuhema. They of course no mwakonyitwo guo. He mundu kuonagia ukanga kuonie kuria kamera. Wamba gukua tuindo.
Kuhema.
Yes. Wajire kuhema second. Ona aya mukona ni makura. Ni wahema murigo mwega.
Nawe market ukona ni resonate.
Yes. You see, you also have to take time. Dogo koro ihu umete kuria weta ya karengo. Ucoke weci ati waradi Nairobi umuthi no amenya taste cia andu.
Ndio goikaranga.
Ndio kwamba kwirorangera. Wone there must be something I am doing
wrong. Right.
Yes. Wone aiko ni aguragirwo ri. Kiendagia. Na hemaga ki. Riu ukarora. Ugathi muthenya ucio ngukahe matwire tatu ukona ni twagurwo. Yes. Ugathi riu ikinya fast ri. Ugakorwo we wi buru. Yes. Andu fast camera ni makombithagio. Then you know they are credit worthy.
And they are known.
They are known. And they have actual shops. They have physical
location.
Yes.
No, physical address.
Tondu he mundu gikombithia nguo we wa gutumura mbiru die athiathiete nginya icagi kwao.
Ya mwisho haria arienderia no ngari ariingira
na uthonga. Riu ni mamenya muga kanisia bochagure. Laura. Owaho. Maina wa Siriaka.
Owaho.
Maigasi dito maina wa Siriaka ri. Cio twahe mana ke jacket cia leather. Na enda ya. Wa. Ha vigitiri. Na kata ni mwega ni atwitikiragia twendie.
Kata hindi ari manager.
Ari yako counter. Ako. No, waigaira riu mawita ifuku. He was also very senior there victory. Riu toka hau ni atwitikiragia hindi onda tutio akioya ine. Is just that our paths crossed again.
No ndamugiragia.
Kira magu ona ntomwendagiria mivuto iho ya fila. Ndika nona garugutho rwo poster ya TBT anyitete kadori aka ng'ombe.
Rugutho cia bira we ciarĩ njarie kaũndũ.
Yes. Rĩu gĩthiĩ kũhe mbĩrũ kũrĩa kwa mama Janet kana Justin wa Gikomba ndogo. Rĩu kũu nĩkuo mbĩrũ ciũkagĩra. You have to know your ways around. Twathiũrũrũkia mũno. Kwa jacket cia leather. Ndũ icio wahemaga o ichi
ithatũ.
Yes. Nĩguo ya goro. Icio ndũ ngĩhema nyingĩ. Ningĩ nĩ mũrigo. Ndũ ciĩkĩrwo haha kĩande. Yes. Rĩu wekĩra hau kĩande. Kwatũ ngĩagũrĩire ketagwo kajomo. Yes.
Kau nĩ wamenyaga gatiĩrara.
Kajomo rĩ nĩ gaka karetha ke mũcibia thutha na mĩhuko o karĩa wona na Jomo Kenyatta. Yes. Na twakena mũno tondũ rĩu kũrĩ ndahemire jacket twambaga gũciĩka kĩndũ gĩtagwo hotero.
Gũperemba mĩhuko.
Yes. Maina wa Siria Kari kwĩndĩ arutire $800. No, $100 today is how much?
I think around
10,000.
That's a jena kida ishi. No one that 3.
Yes.
No one kiona
13,000.
13,000.
Nuona on ye $800. Nyabire guthirwo go kidogo kiamba ugatiria.
Ni ukwambata.
Riu afora. Wakora that would happen once in a blue moon. Itanagwira $4.
Iyo no ngurire nguo.
Ya ya muthungu ngia. Muthungu hoya. Aikiga atia $4.
Icio ari cenji agurite kindu.
Yes.
Akiriganirwo nguo-ini.
Diare munyakoci wa gufo. No amaja kuna kanisi. Naraura. Acio ni maigira guotero. Ukona mauma na pound. Yes. Sterling pound. Athia cenjeni ukaigua aranairwo 100 ria 20.
Ni ukwamba kuwa thoko kidogo.
Na niĩ ndĩmwe twĩna biribũ kĩmũnyũ tondũ no twakiendagia nguo mathaa mangĩ tũgĩbora ĩmwe tũgĩkora kamũgathĩ tũkirwo nĩ mũndũ hau kau nĩ thahabu na ti ya land gold tũgĩthiĩ nduka yendagia thahabu harĩa Hilton twenderie mũhĩndĩ tũkirwo rehe ikarorwo kani pale kapande sisi nagalia tuikarete hau tuonire 504 no yard station wagona
ile avia na flying squad
nio metirwo tukirwo iyo chain ri na roiro mabati ni hapa kwa tukirwo tuka ukonio
muhindi
no flying squad yacio maturora twarira tuga turume ka thimbu
na mwaruta uira
tukimarutira na tukimaginya mathina maitu mana mucie
no ria muroretwo iguru mucie
tukimara gwitwo na mugunda ndwikira no ngwaci na ciuma ciana Maetu ohora.
Manyiri ona andu anyu matingire ithibia cia kumuruta.
Pana. Filifu akimera ndu wa mbere. Ndari ona mucinga wi hakuhi ugu. Agora pinga hook. Na hook othe moke rugongo ndicio rucio.